Hi everyone, my name is Srikanth. Hope all are you doing well. We would like to do a series of videos on historical events, some specific events. So thank you. Please do subscribe, share and comment. Every beginning is humble, so is our beginning. Thank you. Let's dwell into the topic. It's about 1943 famine. This is very horrendous event and catastrophic event that took almost 2.123 million people, that took the lives of almost 2.123 million people. It was very tragic event, and India has seen almost 6 famines during 1873, starting from 1873 to 1943. There were 6 famines total. But why and what is the importance of this 1943 famine? Out of these 6, all other 5 famines were natural famines, and this was man-made. When I say man-made, it is because of inhuman policies of Britain and British government that resulted in 1943 famine, and you could see the count, almost 2.123 million people have been dying. So to understand it, why it has happened and how come the British inhuman policies made this happen, so to understand this we must understand the situation before 1943. It was wartime situation. The World War II was going on. Whenever there is World War, it only brought wrath to the people of India. Then whenever there is World War, there was wartime inflation. When I say wartime inflation, it is increase in prices. Inflation means increase in prices. So whenever there is World War, it only brought wrath to the people. And then during 1943 also there was World War II was going on, and there is wartime inflation, and in Bengal there is shortage of food. See here, I am saying here shortage of food and I am saying it is man-made. How come this is possible? Let's see what happened. So whenever there is shortage of food, Bengal used to import rice from Burma. Now it is called Myanmar. So whenever there is shortage of food in Bengal, food used to imported from Burma. Thanks to the invasion by Japan of Burma, the road has been closed. This road importing of rice from Burma to Bengal closed because of invasion by Japan during that time. So the road is closed. Here I want to say something. During 1873, there was Bihar famine occurred, and Richard Temple was the lieutenant governor. So there was famine in 1873. What Richard did was, he imported rice to stop people from starving, to stop things going worse. So he imported rice and he somehow saved the people. Then the British officers criticized Richard Temple for importing rice, for wasting the money. This is how the Britain looked upon us. We must understand the policies of Britain. They came here to loot, not to rule. So there was shortage of food, and the door has been closed to import rice from Burma. So when I say shortage of food, we all understand, we feel like there must have been drought. There must have been drought, but this is not the case. Initial years after this happened, there was like some felt like there was drought and the shortage of food was due to drought. But recent research by a group of scientists from India and America, They both did research on soil fertility. Soil fertility. Reduction in soil fertility indicates there is a drought. But this is not the case. So in 1943, the soil was very fertile, and the precipitation, the rainfall was more than average. So why the shortage of food occurred? This was war, and Britain did panic hoarding. When I say panic hoarding, it was not a well thought out decision. They did hoard rice. They did hoard rice in a panic that there is a war going on to feed the important people. When I say important people, it includes army men and officers of the British government. So to feed them, they did panic hoarding, and there is shortage of food. This Bengal famine brought social disruption in Bengal. People used to travel to Calcutta to get an organized relief by some men, and people have been dying on Calcutta roads. So then what the British government doing when the situation is so worst? The then Prime Minister of Britain, Winston Churchill, he was apprised of the situation by the cabinet that situation is so grim in Bengal, we have to do something like. So then Winston said like, Indians are breeding like rabbits. This is the statement made by Britain Prime Minister, the then Britain Prime Minister, that Indians are breeding like rabbits. And he go on to say that, said, if the situation is so bad, how come Mahatma Gandhi is still alive? This was the statement made by Winston Churchill. So from these statements you can understand how the ignorant the British were, how they looked upon our fellow citizens during that time. So they did nothing. Instead of supplying food, they did panic hoarding, and this could cause 2.1 to 3 million people. This much death has been occurred, and there is so much of social disruption happened. So this is something about 1943 famine. I hope you all understood. I made this video to make you aware of what happened during the 1943 famine. My intention is like it should not be like restricted to some books of libraries. It should be told to the people. We must aware the people what happened. So thanks for watching, and please do comment, subscribe and share. Your feedback will helps improve us. Thank you for watching. Good luck.